Hey everyone, welcome back to Dazola Designs. How are you guys doing today? It's very bright in here today. Yesterday I didn't make a video because it was beyond stormy. The power went out. It was crazy. The wind and the rain was absolutely insane yesterday, Tuesday. So I was like, oh my God, what is going to happen? But we're fine here. But it's flooded everywhere and it's just a mess in the mountains. Anyway, happy WIP Wednesday. Today, I am wearing my gathered spikes stitch top, tunic top. I love it. It's awesome. I love the yarn, you guys. This is my first actual wearable with the Ferris wheel. I've made a lot of scarves and everything with it, but this is the first time that I actually made a wearable. So I'm super excited. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the sleeves yet, but I kind of like it. I don't know. Tutorial will be out soon. Hopefully I'll have it out by Friday, but I am using the Ferris wheel yarn in Evergreen. It's super beautiful. That is the colorway. And yeah, this stitch is called the Gathered Spike Stitch. We do have a video giveaway in this video, by the way, later on. Just thought I'd let you know. I got the stitch from this fabulous book. This is my absolute favorite book. And I have a ton of crochet books, you guys. This is the pattern right here. It's just the stitch pattern. I love this book because it has gorgeous pictures. It has the actual pattern step-by-step for those of us that read patterns. It also has step-by-step photos and the written pattern as well. It's super awesome, you guys. I highly recommend this book. I think I've sold this book out on Amazon 2 times just because I recommend it so much. I love it. The stitches are super contemporary. And this is, where is the next stitch that I want? There's so many stitches that I want to do, but I want to do another top. Is this it? No, this is it right here with this stitch, the honeycomb stitch right here. That's going to be my next project. I also want to make like a tank top or something with this stitch right here. I want to make all the stitches. That's it. The honeycomb top, I'm going to use, I think, this yarn. This again is the Ferris wheel in sprinkles. It will be in sprinkles or in Summer Day. I love both of these. They're absolutely gorgeous. I think this one though, I don't know, we'll see. If you would like to get the crochet book, please get it off of my Amazon. Something just fell. I don't know what that was. I'll have the link above, okay? Thank you, I really appreciate it. Every bit helps, you guys, in buying more yarn for me and you guys. Another thing I want to talk to you about are my little amigurumi Easter Betties. I made these tutorials 2 years ago, maybe almost 3 years ago. I don't remember, but this is a cute little egg. It's so cute and it's very easy to do. I made this tutorial. It will be up here and all the links will also be down below. So this is just an amigurumi egg. I made it with Big Twist value yarn. It's super beautiful. You guys can make them with any yarn that you have. This is also a great scrap yarn project. If you like to hide Easter eggs and if you don't like dyeing eggs, make some eggs. They're really easy to make. Again, I'll have the tutorial up here or down below. I also made this cute bunny. This bunny I use, look at how cute he is. He's been hanging out with me. This bunny, I used Lily's sugar and cream yarn. I really like using the cotton yarn for amigurumi. I think it holds up a lot better. It doesn't have the fuzzies, but I mean, they're both super cute with their little So this is another tutorial that I made. I believe it was 2 years ago. He's super, super cute. If you guys would like to do this tutorial, will be right up here. One note, I will say, I used to own a daycare. If you guys are making it for a baby or a toddler, please, please, please do not use these plastic buttons. They do come off. I mean, excuse me, they're really on there. But if you guys make amigurumi items and give them to a small child that is teething and they put everything in their mouth, do not put the plastic buttons on there. Just make something like an eye in the round, or use embroidery floss to make eyes. That's just my little PSA for you today. So yeah, I will have those tutorials down below too in the description box. Also, since it's WIP Wednesday, I have so much stuff in front of me, you guys. I want to talk to you guys about this. This is my absolute favorite. Look at how gorgeous that is. This is called the Textured Waves stitch. That's it vertical. This is it horizontal. It's absolutely gorgeous. This would also be another fabulous top. Maybe I have to make that too. This would be a great summer top. This I'm using the paint box yarn right here. They usually, there's my little dog right there. They usually have, I don't think you guys have ever met him. That's Raider. He needs a bath. They usually have this on sale, 10 packs, 40% off. I think they have it on sale right now, maybe 35% off. I don't know, you get it at Love Crafts. I will have the link again up above here. Lots of links today. Please use that because I get a little bit of kickback also. What is this going to be? This is going to be a 4-panel poncho. I was kind of worried that they wouldn't line up because it does have the ridge on the side, but it lines up perfectly actually. So I have 2.5 panels done and I am super, super excited. The drape on this is absolutely ridiculous. It's so, the paint box yarn is really my favorite cotton. It's awesome and it's great to work with. Look at how beautiful that is. Okay, I think I'm done with my WIPs right now. That's a lot. Let's get to the giveaway. I think I'm done. Is that all that I wanted to talk to you about? Oh yeah, I made a list. Hold on, let me see. Yes, that's it. Let's get to the giveaway. I've had this yarn for a while. This is Willow Cub yarn. If you guys have been with me for like 8 months, you have seen me give away this yarn. This is the last that I have. So it's a you pick yarn giveaway. You get to pick 2 colors. So that equals 20 skeins of yarn, okay? You pick 2 colors. Let me tell you a little bit about the yarn. I have to put my glasses on. This is the Willow Cub yarn. This is so, so, so soft. It's a cotton acrylic blend. My glasses are skewed. It is 60% cotton, 40% acrylic. It is a 6mm hook, and this color is called Clear Spring. It is a pretty, pretty turquoise color. What's the yardage? 88 yards. Clear Spring. You get the whole bag. Okay. They're open. I think I'm missing one. It's in the box somewhere. But you guys get 10 of these if you choose this color. Okay. The other color, I love this color. What color is this? This is Dew. And it's a really, really pretty light green. You guys see that? That's so, so beautiful. And then we have the brown. These are all the colors are very, very saturated and they're gorgeous. This color is Forest, really pretty. And then last but not least is, I love this color. This is Great for summer projects. This color is called Afternoon. Really, really pretty. So what you have to do to win, again, this is a two-parter, and I will only pick people if your name pops up and you don't have these 2 questions answered. I will pick another person, okay? I only give to those who watch my videos, so it's a 2-part. Pick your favorite 2 colors of yarn and then answer this following question. The question is, should I keep this project short sleeve or should I make it long sleeve? I'm asking you, let me know, you guys. You guys did me awesome on the granny square sweater because I did keep 1 white and 1 black sleeve and everyone loves that. So thank you very much. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Thank you so much for the well wishes. I am feeling a little bit better. Still really nervous, but whatever. I'm trying to push it all aside. But thank you for being here with me. Thank you so much for all of your support. Bracelets, you guys, I always have to say, if you guys want any bracelets, please check out. So sorry about that. That was my husband calling. Etsy shop, I am having a little sale, 40% off. Check it out right here. Link will be right up here. Link will also be down below. You guys, thank you so much for watching my channel. I hope everyone is doing well, and we will talk to each other in the next video. Bye.